Join me as I challenge myself to power my entire home using only solar generators for a whole week. Today, I want to talk to you about empowering your home with a sustainable energy solution, solar generators. These incredible devices can revolutionize the way we think about energy consumption, and I'm excited to dive into the benefits and possibilities they offer. We've all been there, getting slapped with high energy bills, feeling guilty about our carbon footprint, and worrying about the reliability of our energy sources. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from the grid and take control of your energy consumption? The truth is, most of us are unaware of the amount of energy we waste, from leaving lights on to running appliances on standby. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of our energy habits, from polluting our air to contributing to climate change. We're often forced to rely on non-renewable energy sources, which not only harm the planet, but also put a dent in our wallets. And to make matters worse, we're at the mercy of our utility companies, with little to no control over our energy usage. It's a vicious cycle, and it's time we take a step back and rethink our approach to energy consumption. The reality is, our energy habits are not only harming the planet, but they're also taking a toll on our bank accounts. According to recent studies, the average American home spends over $1,400 per year on energy bills alone. That's a significant chunk of change that could be better spent on things we actually enjoy. And let's not forget about the anxiety that comes with opening that electricity bill every month, wondering how high it'll be, and stressing about how to cut back. But what if I told you there's a way to slash your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and gain energy independence? Enter solar generators, the game-changing solution to our energy woes. When it comes to solar generators, there are a variety of options to choose from, each with its own unique features and benefits. From compact portable generators to whole home systems, there's a solar generator out there for everyone. And the best part? They're designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, providing a reliable source of clean energy whenever and wherever you need it. Take, for example, the popular Goal Zero Yeti generator. This powerful device can power everything from your fridge to your laptop, all while being environmentally friendly and cost-effective. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Or, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, you might consider the Tesla Powerwall. This innovative system is designed to provide whole-home energy backup, using advanced battery technology to store excess energy generated by your solar panels. And with its sleek design, it won't be an eyesore in your backyard. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share a real-life story of someone who transformed their home energy usage with a solar generator. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who was tired of relying on the grid for her family's energy needs. With the help of a solar generator, Sarah was able to power her entire home, from her kitchen appliances to her kids' electronics, all while saving hundreds on her energy bills. And the best part? She was able to do it all while reducing her family's carbon footprint and gaining peace of mind, knowing she was in control of their energy usage. Sarah's story is just one of many, but it showcases the incredible impact that solar generators can have on our daily lives. And the benefits don't stop there. With solar generators, you'll enjoy reduced energy bills, increased energy independence, and a lower carbon footprint. So, what's the takeaway? Solar generators are a powerful tool in the fight against high energy bills and environmental degradation. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can take control of our energy consumption, reduce our reliance on non-renewable sources, and create a more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for watching. And if you have any experiences with solar energy or want to share your thoughts on today's video, be sure to leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for more energy-saving tips, be sure to check out our next video.